Hi, my name's Hannah and I work for J Parker's. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to control weeds in the garden. The best way to do this is to try and do it by hand if you can. So either just using your hand or using a fork or a trowel. If possible, you need to try and get as much of the root out as possible, which I know can be quite difficult if it's got a really big tap root like a dandelion. It can be really difficult to get it out, but I would advise try and get as much root out as possible because otherwise it'll grow back within a couple of weeks. The best time to start weeding is as soon as they come up, so early spring, as soon as the ground starts to warm up, they'll start coming through. If possible, you want to try and get them out before they start producing flowers, as they will then drop seed and you'll get more weed. So after you've weeded your area, you're best putting down a thick layer of mulch if possible. So different types of mulch are, you can use Mulch, which is a named brand, which is hay, or you can use composted bark, wood chippings, and there's also hard landscaping versions of mulch as well, such as slate. If you put a thick layer of pebbles or slate down, that can also act as a mulch. And basically what it is a protective layer that stops the weed seeds having access to sunlight and so stopping them from germinating. So some of the common weeds that you'll come across is chickweed or ground elder or dandelions, and some common problems that you'll get if you don't weed is that they usually will harbour other pests and diseases which will then carry on through to the rest of your garden. So if you can keep on top of the weeding, I would suggest that you do so.